What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Okay, from the title you already know that this video is all about smartwatch bands. I have a lot of smartwatches from different brands: ticwatch, emilab, Xiaomi, Huami, Samsung, amazfit, OnePlus, Apple, yeah, a lot. Here I have six others in my home. So I have been buying a lot of smartwatch bands, and I have never found one smartwatch band that offers comfort and is very trendy, fashionable, and also is very affordable. So I was looking for something like that, and finally I think I have found some. So I'm gonna share those smartwatch bands with you. If you like any of those smartwatch bands, then you can check those. The links are given in the description box below. Well, this isn't any sponsored video. I like to buy smartwatch bands, and I thought that I should share what I like with my subscribers, with my viewers. Well, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Also make a comment and let me know which smartwatch band you like most. This one is the best smartwatch band that I have. This one comes in different colors, but I chose that blue color version. You can see there are some stripes on the band, and that one isn't aesthetic. You can feel it when you touch it. Inside the band, it's totally smooth. So very comfortable when you wear it on your wrist. Yes, this one is a TPU silicone smartwatch band, but when you wear it on your wrist, it gives you a feeling of velvet. You would feel that you are wearing something made of velvet. And that's why I chose this one among many other smartwatch bands that I have. It's easy to wear and easy to take off. I think this is one of those smartwatch bands where C meets F. Comfort meets fashion. Samsung has just released Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and this band will be a perfect match to those new Samsung Galaxy watches. This one is a 22mm band, so you can actually use this one with any other smartwatches which supports 22mm bands. I'm a sucker for rainbow color. I'm a sucker for fashion. These bands you can see here is more flexible, more comfort, and these bands are actually for Apple smartwatch. When I first bought these bands, I was like a bit skeptical. How long can it hold up, and what type of steel they have used? Will it hurt my wrist? Will it be comfortable? Yeah, this looks fancy, this looks pretty fashionable, that's for sure, but I was skeptical about quality and comfort. Actually, I have been using these for 2 months, and you can see it still looks like a new band. And one thing you must know, I have even washed these bands with soap and water. Once again, very easy to install, very easy to change, very easy to put on, very easy to put off, and on the wrist, this one is even more comfortable. I cannot express through words how comfortable are these. So if you are looking for Apple smartwatch bands which is comfortable, which is unique, which has its own design language and different type of fashion, then you should try this one. But most of the time when I wear Apple Watch, I go for something premium. And I know there are a lot of people who try to be a little simple. Yeah, I think the word simplicity is far more correct. When I go to work, when I go to some meeting, when I go to some party, when I have to wear some formal clothing, then I would prefer something more posh, more expensive. Yeah, these smartwatch bands looks very expensive, but they're affordable, trust me. The links are given in the description box below, don't forget to check. These bands are pretty affordable, and these Apple Watch bands actually are the most premium looking bands that I have. Most of the time when you wear leather bands, it's not that comfortable at the beginning, but these Apple Watch bands, they were comfortable from the very first day, and even after using for more than a month, they look like new ones. They look the same. This is the most premium quality band which adds real fashion to your outlook. Yeah, once again, build quality is great, it's comfortable, and if the first band was like C meets F, then this band is F meets C, like fashion meets class. Well, I wish that you will check the links given in the description box below, and if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel.